Alright, y'all. Alan and Jimmy checking in. Jimmy from Firestone. Jimmy's made an appearance on previous videos.
Firestone.
That's right, helping me out with stuff on the Jeep, and he's been to the racetrack and stuff over the years with us. So, welcome back, Jimmy. Jimmy does have a social media page, Instagram. What's your handle, James?
JMorley228.
JMorley228. So check him out on Instagram. He works on cars, and he's a dog lover. If you hear a squeaky little dog in the back, it's Jax. Welcome to the channel, Jax. He goes over here. We had to separate him. I don't know if you can see him, but they were having too much gay love, if you know what I mean. So, outside of that, project today is Jimmy has decided to come over, and it's nice out today, and we're going to tackle the Radiator project and the EVO. So, we went with the Mishimoto X-Line Radiator, which is about 25% bigger, I believe. You'll have to check the stats online, but I believe it's 25% bigger than the OEM unit. Also got the thermostat, and then the Mishimoto silicone radiator hoses and heater hoses, I think, are in there too. So that's what we're going to tackle. So we're going to get to it here. Once we unbox this stuff, we'll let you guys take a look at it. But we're going to test out some of my new tools here. I got a floor jack over here. Obviously Jimmy came prepared, but I have my other tools that we're going to unbox as well up here. So this will be fun. He's laughing because
you had nothing unpacked yet.
What happened, buddy? I got to videotape the unboxing. So yeah, we'll let you guys see it, and we'll check back in a bit. Peace. Because it has a higher boiling point than waddling, so and once it does boil, it comes down.
God damn.
Let's yank it out. It's recording. The star of the show. Man, it looks nice.
It's looking way thicker than the original.
Way thicker, right? Wow. I've never had an aftermarket radiator. It's one thing I've never done. Wow.
No?
How heavy is it, out of curiosity?
Pretty heavy.
Is it?
Definitely heavier than a stock one,
A stock one? So
it's already got a couple of little bends in there. What the fuck?
That's not too bad. Worst things are gonna happen.
Look at those welds.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Alright, hopefully Jax's head wasn't in. He just realized he might have been in the video view for the time lapse. But, mission accomplished. We got it up there. Jimmy got it up there, I should say. So basically, we found the lifting point and took the front section of the splash guard tray thing off. And we were able to get it high enough in the air to just fit these truck jack stands up. But these things are pretty sweet, actually, right, Jim?
Yes, sir.
Beefy. So that's where we're at. Now we're going to drain the fluids and take the front bumper cover off. So we'll be back.
That's coming out all over the place, isn't it?
Yeah, you're kind of missing, but
I'm missing it.
that's better. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sometimes do that. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
I had to shoot at one of those. I didn't even see them there, but they sell the giant splash ones, the giant.
Yeah, sorry.
It's cool and it doesn't stain anything, so wash it up with water.
It's mostly water anyway.
Yeah, that's right.
And I'm gonna go wash up. All right, so quick work. We're definitely under an hour, and Jimmy's already got it out. The lack of the AC condenser really helped.
Big time.
Big time, right, Jim? Because we didn't have to deal with any of that and those lines. Once again, my car's AC is removed. So that's what we're looking like. You can see my torque solution front motor mount. I'm going to do the rest of those, the side mounts and the rear diff mounts this winter. But yeah, this is the guts of the beast. So I think the red hoses will look nice. Once again, these red Mishimoto hoses. So comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the new setup. Can't wait to put this this bad boy right there in. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, quick check in for you. We're getting ready to throw the new Mishimoto X-Line radiator in, and just wanted to show you guys kind of the differences. Jimmy, you want to lean it forward so we can see the thickness? And so you can see it's the exact same size in terms of measurements, but the thickness is where the difference is at. And as you can see, it's probably, what'd you say, twice as thick?
3 times. Shit.
Yeah, it's 2 to 3 times as thick. So that's where you're getting the improved cooling capacity, and it obviously will hold more coolant as well.
Yeah.
So, all right, but we'll check back in home stretch here in terms of buttoning this thing up, and it really hasn't been that bad. Once again, due to the lack of condenser. What was the other reason? I already forgot. That we were happy.
No condenser, no stock airbox.
Stock airbox when we watched the Mishimoto official install video.
I'm sure the intercooler probably made it easier.
Didn't look like fun, but either way, we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we got it in, so now after a little bit of a struggle, but we should have put the fans on afterwards, we discovered, but that's what we did. No big deal, and yeah, just a process of bolting it up and putting our hoses on, and then we'll start adding coolant and letting it bleed. So the thermostat didn't come with a gasket, of course, so thanks Mishimoto. So we're not going to replace that this round, and the stock one's fine. Like I said, it still opens and operates correctly. We were just overheating. So once again, hopefully the head gasket's okay. Adam thinks it might have lifted. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check back in. Stretch. We lost camera power there for a second, so that's why you guys didn't see the end there of hooking up the intercooler pipe, etc. But we're almost ready to start it and add coolant. Not too shabby. Liking the hoses. Can't wait to get the valve cover done in blue. Look good. All right, we are going no water. This is a concentrate per atom at 80 watt sports recommendation. So yeah, so no water at all. We went from one extreme to the other.
No coolant.
She's a guzzler.
I gotta think how much coolant this thing's gonna take, dude.
Right.
Oh, I didn't think that. Maybe we should have gotten 3 buckets.
All right, y'all, what's up? Alan checking in. It's a couple days later. EVO's all wrapped up. It's sitting in the driveway, actually, right over here, right behind me over here, right there. But need to wash it today. I've been working on on the Jeep actually, and the whole process of ceramic coating it, which has been lengthy, just due to the. And I'll have a video coming out on it, but just lengthy due to the amount of like polishing and just, you know, decontamination of the paint, and then paint correcting it with the polishing, and then You know, you got to do the windows, the glass, the trim, everything. So I'm just about done, and plan on doing the ceramic coating actually tomorrow. So if you guys like the EVO video, which I hope you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribing to the channel. We're about to hit 1,000 finally. Should hit it this weekend. And really appreciate your guys' support thus far. We'll wait till we get there, but looking to do bigger and better things. I will start making more videos again next week. I realize I've been slacking, and met with my buddy Blake, and he mentioned I should start making more videos. So we'll try to upload a couple more videos next week, which will include the detailing on the Jeep, and the whole process of that, which I said is, like I said, is complicated. But and then we'll also have some EVO content as well, additional stuff on that in terms of bringing it up to Adams, hoping to see him next week. So I'll take you along up there. And then, of course, Project MR2. So much more to come. Once again, appreciate you, and hope you guys like the EVO video. Peace.